TradeStation Financial Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to TradeStation and related resources are in the description. TradeStation is a powerful trading platform designed for active traders and investors who need advanced charting, fast execution, and professional-grade trading tools. Known for its high-performance technology, TradeStation supports stocks, options, futures, and cryptocurrencies, making it a versatile choice for traders across different markets. Whether you're a day trader, swing trader, or algorithmic trader, TradeStation provides the infrastructure to execute trades efficiently with robust analytical tools. Features. TradeStation offers a highly customizable trading platform with advanced charting, real-time market data, and direct market access. The platform includes Radar Screen, a real-time market scanner that helps traders identify opportunities based on custom criteria, and Matrix, a fast order entry tool that enables quick execution. For algorithmic traders, TradeStation provides easy language, a built-in coding language for developing and backtesting trading strategies. The platform also supports automated trading and integration with third-party tools. Additionally, TradeStation has commission-free trading for stocks and options, but advanced features and direct routing may have additional fees. Who is it for? TradeStation is best suited for active traders, professionals, and algorithmic traders who need advanced charting, direct market access, and fast execution. It's also a great option for futures and options traders who require sophisticated tools to manage risk and execute complex strategies. However, casual investors who only make occasional trades may find the platform overwhelming. Strengths: advanced charting and analysis, professional-grade tools for technical traders. Direct market access (DMA), faster trade execution with routing options. Algorithmic and automated trading, supports custom scripts and strategy backtesting. Radar Screen and Matrix, powerful market scanning and fast order execution tools. Commission-free trading, no fees on stocks and options for basic trades. Weaknesses: complex interface, steep learning curve for beginners. Platform fees: advanced features may require a paid subscription. High minimums for some accounts. Certain accounts require larger deposits. Final verdict: TradeStation is an excellent choice for active traders who need advanced tools, fast execution, and a high level of customization. Its combination of commission-free trading, algorithmic capabilities, and professional-grade features makes it a top-tier platform. However, beginners and casual investors may find it too complex, and some advanced tools require additional fees. Links to TradeStation and alternatives are in the description. Check them out to find the best platform for your needs. If this review helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.